Check it out. OpenAI just introduced ChatGPT 5.2 in the API. I'm going to run it here at the PowerShell console, and I can use the Invoke-ChatCompletion function, which is built into the install or built into PSAISuite, and you can install the module with install-module. So I can say, let's take a look at the models. I can go for OpenAI, and we can type in GPT-5.2, hit Control Space, and here's the latest models. Everything from Chat Latest to Pro. And I'm going to use the Chat Latest and say fib function, just the code. See what we get. And it comes back with that. Not an exciting prompt, but I can now use this inside my scripts, and I can put my scripts inside of GitHub Actions or build them into larger scripts that can do all kinds of different things. Use it with function calling, so on and so forth. So just dropped, have fun.